No, thank you.
Fridge magnets are 2 for €3, so I think we'll be having some of those. Good morning everybody, we are now in Guadeloupe. Sorry for the lack of videos from yesterday, but we had a day at sea and it was marvellous, but we did drink a little bit too much. We have a few little videos of last night of Nanny and Grandad and us getting rather intoxicated, but we're on a holiday, so that's what we do. So we're now in a market in Guadeloupe and it's actually a lot better than I expected.
It's only 5 minutes from the port.
It's only 5 minutes from the port. I was expecting to come off the ship and there not be a great deal here, but we've found this lovely market and so we're having a wander around. We're going to see if we can get some fridge magnets and some rubbish as you do when you come here, but it all supports the local economy, so if you can just come here and purchase a little bit of something, then that's what we have to do to keep the cruise keep coming. Right, so we'll show you around. I'm not very good at this, so I'll get Mr. Waldron to show you.
Hang on. Watch. There you go.
Here we go. Oh, I'm a bit better at this than I thought. I thought I was going to be rank. So apparently I've got to walk steady because I'm a bit of a racer. So yeah, so it's a bit of a craft market. It looks as though they've got fruit and veg and all nice little trinket things. I'm sure Jenny and Jack would love this because they have to go and look at all the trinkets wherever they go. Some nice bits there. And it looks as though we've got some food and drink and things like that over here, so that's good. And this is literally 5 minutes from the port, so if you're not on one of the tours and you just fancy getting out and stretching your legs for 5 minutes, it's actually a really good place to come and I'm quite excited by it. I'll speak to you all later. Bye!
talk.
Yeah, but you've got to the video.
High definition.
Hi everybody, we're now in St Lucia and we are at a place called
Pigeon Point.
Pigeon Point. We got a private tour company that brought us here this morning. So it cost us $25 return from the pick you up from the port and bring you here, then they'll pick us back up at 2:30 to go back to the port. The bus that they pick you up in, bonus, has air conditioning. We've not had that on the other tour companies that pick you up at the ports before, so it was really nice that we're going to have a nice air-conditioned bus to go back to the ship in. Apparently later on today there's a bit of a reggae party going on the beach that happens on Sundays. It's Mother's Day today, it's Sunday, so I dare say we will be reggaeing. The sunbeds,
$30, so quite
$30, that's for two beds and a parasol, and a bucket of beer with 6 beers is $20. It's a nice place. The water is a little bit on the cold side, but yeah, he likes it. I will go in, but it'll take some warming up. Having a great time, absolutely love St Lucia, and our tour guide in the minibus was, what's his name?
Pascal,
and really nice chap, told us some information on the way here. We will put a link to this tour company that we're trying out this time, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up. Bye!
Yeah, they normally make the next whole them come out. I wish you could have seen me climb up the tree this morning to get the palm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
Can I make a grasshopper as well, a cricket? I just want to make one in each of them for you, so you can leave me a little donation.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, mate.
We're going to put them on you. There you go, put them all in. Yeah, I'm giving some.
Wait.
Sorry. You got both towels there? Yeah, I did. Oh, sorry, new video.
Nicola's off to the bar.
Okay.
Says Nicola's off to the bar.
Oh, I don't know what that is there. Pardon? Oh, definitely. Yeah, it's nice.
Sorry. Because it only shows a little bit of the phone. Nicola's been on the run.
The wonder of you.
Better than that.
Apart from me. I'm just having a brain hemorrhage. It's vile. But rum therapy is the place to come for the drink, this drink. Oh, it's got cinnamon in it, it's very strong. But anyway, having a great time. Love you all. Bye. Dad's gonna get up dad dancing in a minute. I can feel it.
We've just been for a little drink.
Hello family. We have had a brain hemorrhage, a bucket of beer, a rum punch,
And now Daddy's Boston for a wee.
and the captain has come and
Rounding everybody up.
G'd us all up to get back on the ship. So we're going back to the ship. We are very happily merry.
Shower time.
And yes,
You ready?
we've had no food.
Follow us.
We've had no food all day. Not since last time. And last time was a long time ago. Could be yesterday actually. So we're now
Right.
going back.
Right.
Oh, no, this is what you're doing.
I'm now going to shut her up because I want to.
Too sexy for my, too sexy for my, too sexy for my cat, too sexy for my cat, oh pussy, oh pussy cat. I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me. Oh girl, together 8 days a week, 8 days a week. I love you, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week. I never wanted you say I want it done. Love you, love you, love you, and I want you to
Rolling on the river.
Well, the fact we got get in the lift for one floor.
When you first came in.
You know what? I wish I'd gone far.
Fart?
That.
Bloody rough talk. You don't talk like that. I wish I'd got a fart. It's gusty. There we go.
Come on.
There's number 8.
Oh, in.
I'll tell you
The
what.
fact is we got in. We must have just stayed there.
Yeah, because that's what happened. The room's empty. Aren't there? Which is even.
Left.
Oh, this. Look, I'm not on.
No, this way.
Right. That's the front then.
Come on, this way.
Did it, man? Oh, Octave. I love that song.
I said we didn't go far, did we, in the lift? We must have gone up and down like a bloody yo-yo.
I don't know where it's anyway.
You just shut the door.
7. Oh, 6 I'll be ringing you, Dad. Night.
Fucking thing won't turn off. Follow me.
We like to party. We like to party. Cause I do like when you're in the corridor. I think Jack's words was, shoot on. No, it wasn't saying, pulse on, thrust on, something.
Swass on nerve.
That's a 69 you dirty little bugger. Oh. Look, he's wobbling, he's bashing his arm into the door.